Hello everybody, welcome back to Awesome Crafter. Today we're going to be making a reindeer pom-pom wreath just in time for Christmas. So to make these you need a 12-inch wreath ring. I bought these from Amazon. I think I got them in a pack of 3. And then we're going to be using some pom-pom reindeers that I've made. I recently made a video where I showed you how to make these, and basically when I made them, for these I had in mind that they were going to hang on my Christmas tree. So the pieces of wool I kept at the top so that I could hang it on the tree. However, when I've made these reindeers, I've got in mind that I'm going to use them to make the pom-pom wreath. So I've made sure that the pieces of wool that I have are at the back, because these are the pieces of wool that I'm going to use to secure these pom-pom reindeers onto the pom-pom wreath. So we'll discard that one. So we're going to take the wreath and we're going to tie, using these 2 pieces of wool, we're going to tie it around the centre 2 pieces of the wreath ring. And what we're going to do is we're going to alternate the colours to the lighter brown and the darker brown, just to make it look a bit better. So let's get tying on. So we're going to take the wool and just thread it round the 2 pieces, and just to start with, to make sure we're happy with the placement, I'm just going to tie it into a bow, and then if we're not happy or we want to switch it around, we can go back and do that after. And I'm just going to go all the way around, tying on the pom-pom reindeers in exactly the same way. And there you have your reindeer pom-pom wreath. When you're happy with the placement of all your reindeers, then you just need to flip it back over and go back around and just snip off all the loose edges so it all looks super neat and you don't see any of the woolly bits at the back when you hang it up. And then there you go. It's ready to add to your Christmas decor, and you have to admit that is just ridiculously cute. And it was so cheap and so quick and easy to make, and will make a great addition to any Christmas decor. If you haven't already checked out my video on how I made the little reindeer pom-poms, then I will put a link in the description below. And I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you enjoy making a pom-pom reindeer wreath as much as I do. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on the next video. Bye for now.